I just smile, I don't want to go back. Where you are, I don't need the view. Where you are is the view I didn't know I was looking for. All the places I planned to run to fade in the rear view. I don't miss them anymore. Where you are. The porch light's still on, the dog at your feet. You're reading a page, I'm watching the street light catch your hair. I used to think love was a grand sweeping thing, but it's this choir, the wanting to stay, the way you say my name slow, like you're tasting it there, and I don't know where this goes. I just know I don't want to move. Where you are, I don't need the view. Where you are, it's the view I didn't know I was looking for. All the places I'd planned to run to fade in the rear view. I don't miss them anymore. Where you are, I used to draw maps of the places I'd go. Every coastline, every city lit up below, but I'd trade every skyline I ever dreamed of for one more night with your hand in mine. Where you are, I don't need the view. Where you are is the view I didn't know I was looking for. All the places I planned to run through, fold in the rear view. I don't miss them anymore. I'm right where you are. Your hand on the dash, the highway unwinds. Retracing the finish lines, the ones that don't fit any map. I spent 20-something years learning to leave, and now I can look past the way you're asleep. Grazes my heart when you shift, I catch my breath. That small stupid thing, the only home I've ever had, and I don't know where this road ends. I just smile, I don't want to